Mamo, my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. In our last video, I said we'll be learning kinship terminologies, names of family relative. Remember in the last video we talked about family, types of family. You remember the types of family you have: ezinụlọ otu mkpuke, ezinụlọ obara mkpuke, and ezinụlọ mbisa. These are the three types of family we have in Igbo language. So today I said we're going to look at the names of family relatives. Names of family relatives. Okay, we are going to use them in making sentences. Yes, we'll use them in making sentences for you to understand more. We'll start with the father. Father, nna, nna, nnam, my father. Nnagi, your father. Nna anyị, our father. Ndị nna anyị, our fathers. When you hear the word ndi or omo, they are plurals of the plural form of those words. For instance, I said we have ndị nna anyị, our fathers. Ndị nna anyị, our fathers. We have the mother, mother, nne, mother, nne. Nnem, my mother. Nnegi, your mother. Nna anyị, our mother. Ndị nna anyị, our mothers. We have Omo. Omo is children. Omom, my children. Omogi, your children. Omo anyị, our children. Nde omo anyị, our children. Have nwa, child. Nwam, my child. Nwa gị, your child. Nwa anyị, our child. Nwa nwoke, son. Nwa m nwoke, my son. Nwa gị nwoke, your son. Ụmụ anyị nwoke, our sons. We have nwa nwanyị, daughter. Nwa gị nwanyị, your daughter. Nwa m nwanyị, my daughter. Nwa anyị nwanyị, our daughter. Ụmụ anyị nwanyị, our daughters. D is husband. Digi, your husband. Dim, my husband, my husband. Di anyị, our husband. Ndị di anyị, that is the plural form. Ndị di anyị, our husbands. We have wife. Wife is nwunye. Nwunye gị, your wife. Nwunye m, my wife. Nwunye anyị, our wife. Ndị nwunye anyị, our wives. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Ụmụnne, siblings. Nwanne m, my sibling. Nwanne gị, your sibling. Ụmụnne gị, your siblings. Ụmụnne m, my siblings. Nwanne nwanyị, sister. Nwanne nwanyị, sister. Your sister, nwanne gị nwanyị. My sister, nwanne m nwanyị. Our sister, nwanne anyị nwanyị. Our sisters, ndị nwanne anyị nwanyị. Use ndị to indicate the plural form. Remember that. Nwanne nwoke, nwanne nwoke, brother. Nwanne m nwoke, my brother. Nwanne gị nwoke, your brother. Nwanne anyị nwoke, our brother. Ụmụnne anyị nwoke, our brothers. Have grandmother, grandmother. Maternal grandmother and paternal grandmother. So we'll take them one after the other. Let's look at the maternal grandmother. Nene, maternal grandmother. Nenem, my maternal grandmother. Nenegi, your maternal grandmother. Nenani, our maternal grandmother. Ndị nne anyị, our maternal grandmothers. Let's look at paternal grandmother. Paternal grandmother. Nena. Nne nam, my paternal grandmother. Nne nna gị, your paternal grandmother. Nne nna anyị, our paternal grandmother. Let's look at the grandfather. Paternal grandfather. Nna nnam, my paternal grandfather. Nna nnam, my paternal grandfather. Nna nna gị, your paternal grandfather. Nna nna gị, your paternal grandfather. Maternal grandfather. Nna nnem, nna nnem, my maternal grandfather. Nna nne gị, your maternal grandfather. Okay? Nwa nwa m nwoke, my grandson. Nwa nwa m nwoke, my grandson. Your grandson, nwa nwa gị nwoke. Same thing with granddaughter. Nwoke and nwanyị. Nwa m nwa m nwanyị. Nwa nwa gị nwanyị. Ụmụ ụmụ, grandchildren. Ụmụ ụmụ, my grandchildren. Ụmụ ụmụ gị, your grandchildren. Ụmụ ụmụ anyị, our grandchildren. No, you can have ụmụ nwa m. That is your grandchildren from one of your children. You have ụmụ nwa m. Okay? Ụmụ nwa m. Ụmụ ụmụ m, it has to do with the grandchildren. Let's say all the grandchildren. Okay? Let that be clear to you. Nwa nwa m, my grandchild. Don't forget that. See you in my next video. In this video, we'll be making so many sentences using water. Don't forget, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you click on subscribe, it means you are supporting this channel. Please do so. Don't forget to drop your comments at the comment section. Yeah, and don't forget to like. Don't forget also share this video. Share this video to support this channel. Thank you and God bless you. Chukwu goziere m gị. Chukwu goziere m unu ndị nke mụ. Unu emela. Thank you very much and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.